If you want to become a mobile machine learning expert, then subscribe to this channel and check out our mobile machine learning courses available on Udemy. The discounted coupons are given in the description. So now let's look at unsupervised machine learning. So in unsupervised machine learning, we use unlabeled data to train our machine learning model. So unlike supervised machine learning, we don't have a resultant value, we just have the input data and we need to find pattern in that data. So we give that unlabeled data to our algorithm to train a model and then we ask questions from that model. And the example of unsupervised machine learning is clustering. So let's look at the detail of clustering so that we can understand that how machine learning models are trained without the label or without the result. So clustering is a method of dividing objects into clusters or groups that are similar between them and are dissimilar to the objects belonging to another cluster. So for example, finding out which customers made similar product purchases. So the practical example of clustering can be applied on a bakery or on a store. So if we got the data about the purchases of the customers, then after passing this data to our unsupervised machine learning algorithm, we can get useful outputs. Like here, if on a bakery, a customer bought these items, which are bread, milk, fruits and wheat, and then customer 2 bought bread, milk, rice and butter. So here, based upon our observation, we can see if the customer has bought bread, then he is most likely to buy milk too. And same is the case with thousands of other products. So after getting the data of a lot of customers and passing it to our algorithm, we can get to know that which items are bought frequently together. And then based upon the results, we can position them correctly inside our store so that customer will find these items with ease and he is most likely to buy them. And now let's look at the third type of machine learning, which is reinforcement learning. So it is actually a branch of machine learning that allows an AI-driven system or an AI agent to learn through trial and error using feedback from its action. So what is the mean of this long statement? So it means that inside reinforcement learning, our AI model or agent perform few actions and then based upon the result, our model or our agent learns that whether that action is right or wrong. And the example of reinforcement learning is robotic dogs, self-driving cars and so on. So for training self-driving cars or even robotic dogs, they are being put in an environment where for each action they perform, they will either get a reward or a penalty. So now by performing a lot of actions and getting the output, they learn that by performing which action they will get the reward and they are more likely to perform these actions in future. So by that way our model is trained or they learn that which action to perform. So reinforcement learning is a short form of trial and error method.